Hey everyone, welcome back. If mobile check deposit isn't working in the TD app, start by checking your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if necessary, or you could just make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then make sure that the check is properly endorsed on the back and placed on a flat, well lit surface. Make sure to clean your camera lenses and avoid shadows while taking the photo. Ensure the check amount does not exceed TD mobile banking deposit limits. If the feature still fails, head over to your app store, search for the app, and update it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes and will also fix your deposit not working issues. So always make sure to update the app. After updating it, contact TD support to confirm your account is eligible for mobile deposits or not, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.